High-efficiency showerheads reduce water use without sacrificing shower quality and ultimately save you money on your water and energy bills. Replacing a showerhead is easy. After you choose the showerhead that's right for you, you'll need to make sure you have Teflon tape, an old toothbrush, a small towel, and an adjustable wrench to get started. Begin by unscrewing the old showerhead from the showerhead arm by turning it counterclockwise. Now, using an old toothbrush and small towel, thoroughly clean and dry the threaded area of the showerhead arm. Your showerhead is universal and made to work with both internal and external showerhead arm threads. If your showerhead has internal threads, place the two washers that are included in your showerhead inside the showerhead connector. Now, using the adjustable wrench, screw your new showerhead to the arm by turning it clockwise until snug. If you notice leaks after turning on the water, add Teflon tape to the threads of the showerhead arm. As easy as that, you're ready to start saving water and energy with your new high-efficiency showerhead. We offer a variety of showerheads to meet your unique needs.